How to fix Microsoft Common Language Runtime native compiler, ngen.exe, high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run SFC and Dism. The SFC is a built-in Windows utility that can fix corrupted system files, while Dism checks the system image files for potential issues. Both can help resolve high CPU usage by repairing any damaged files that might be causing ngen.exe to behave erratically. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. An outdated .NET framework might cause issues with ngen.exe. Updating it can resolve these problems. Windows updates often contain performance improvements and patches for issues that may be causing high CPU usage. Ensuring your operating system is up to date can potentially solve the issue with ngen.exe.